Hey guys, it's Ivy, and we're going in Dollar General. We're going to Dollar General to check out their clearance event. So let's go. So any orange tags is 50% off. Look at that. They got food. That's 50% off. Those are popsicles. Yeah, 50% off. So $175. I guess it's half of 50%. Okay. Look at this guy. 10-cent clearance. Oh wow. Okay. They got bags, Christmas bags, I guess. These are 10 cents. So I am in a different Dollar General right here. So we also have these cookie tops. These are 10 cents. Uh-oh. What else is 10 cents? They got bags. So this is all the Christmas stuff. 10 cents off. Oh, you got the tamales. I'm gonna grab some of these today. Let's see. Christmas coloring books, candy. I don't know why that's in there. All of that, that's 10 cents. What's that? I think that's, let me check that. Okay. So whatever the Airwick warmer refills, apple blossom, 10% off. So you know they're gonna be 50% off later, right? So what is this smell right here? I don't know. Summer Delight. So those are 10% off. They should be cheaper soon. Here is some more, the Airwick plug-ins. Some more of those, 10% off. So start writing down, guys. Okay, so this is the clearance aisle right here. And what you do is you start looking to see, what's that? That laundry detergent. Oh, that always, people make stuff with that. Let's see. So you want to look through the boxes. That Carnelian, that's 50% off on clearance. You want to look for if you have anything with coupons on it. So if so, get your coupons out and start getting ready. What's that? Who is it? Believe. Okay. Uh-oh. Let's see. Toys. Towels. Yeah, you want to look and see whatever they have clearance off on. And, so you start scanning and see, oh, paper mate, I want that much. Hopefully they have some dip in there, huh? So they got stuff back there on the okay. Oof, y'all see that? Trying to hurry up and show y'all some stuff. So you want to go back up in here. You want to dig around and see what's on clearance in here. So it's basically stuff that's on clearance. And see if you got a coupon for a half off. Like these underwear, these probably about $2 on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But I see, so what else he got in here related to clearance? Candles, pens. For some reason, he got a lot of pens. Okay, those are books. What's this? Step on, oh, a dustpan. You step on it. Oh, okay. I wonder how much that is. Okay. What you got? Stop leak up there. You got Energizer battery. We got some battery coupons. Okay. See if we got main. I don't think we got main. Here's the Gliss. We got some coupons for that. This Glad, but I don't know if it was just sitting there. Then these the Halloween Crunch. I wonder how much these are. I'm gonna be very pricey now. More toys. Let's see how much the toys are. Fancy Feast. We got a coupon for that. Purina Kitten Caboodle. That's usually like $1. Keratin, 9 Lives. Hair products. Pounce. Peak. What's that? Oh, pad tampons. Levels, Rays. Oh, there's Gliss. Now remember, these coupons could be used for overage. Herbal Essence. I know we got Herbal Essence coupons. Biore. It's a lot of makeup. A lot of makeup. So if you can actually find makeup, this got a coupon for it. You could use it. Oh, look, Wet n Wild. If we got a coupon, use it. Okay, what's that? spray chalk. I don't know. Okay, there's another fancy feast. So there's 2. Band-aids. Oh, more gliss. Wet n Wild. Okay. Next, you want to go to... Okay, so I'm telling you, Colgate. I saw some orange signs, so let's go look at the orange signs too. So these came up to $1.08. These came up to $1.80, and then, so who is this bad? Who is it bad? Is it bad? Whoever is bad, post or General Mills, check for a coupon for it. I wouldn't get that today though. Let's check for this. And that gun was $5.25, so no. So let's go and look for some more 10% off coupons. I'm seeing one right here. Oh, okay. Look at that. 50% off on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Lego. Okay. 10% off air fresheners. So you know that'll be half off, right? Whatever. Oh, look, here we go. Jackpot. 10% off of this, so you know it's 50% off, right? Oh my God. Look, 10% off. So you got Glade. You got Glade again. A lot of Glade is 10% off. This 10% off. That. This one is 10. These are Glade. So Glade is off. Glade is 10% off. Now it was some back here I wanted to look at. What were these? 25% off those citrus containers, the fresheners, those. The bright ones is 10% off. So those are 10% off. 10% off. So you know if they 10% off Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it'd be 50, right? That's son of a gun, tire shine, 10% off. Okay, we do have some new backhoe techs, so those 10% off. Remember, half off, so half off of that. That is a good sale right there. Grab those. Oh, look at here. This half off too. The FDS's. Okay, yeah, I know that. And all of this is always like this. 10% off Rexall. You got the Rexall stuff, 25% off some of them. Ace is 25% off. Low trimmer, 25%. And what's that? Icy Hot. We got coupons for Icy Hot. So make sure you grab those. Okay. 10% off Irish Spring. So that should be a real decent price on the weekend. Okay. So 10% off, half of 125, 225 Dow. Look at Dow hair and body wash, 10% off. Oh, what's that? Suave body wash, tropical coconut, 10% off. Some more Suave will go on sale. Look at that Alvino, 10% off. Tone, 10% off. Okay, Garnier, look, 10% off. Now, don't get discouraged by 10%. It's going to be 50%. It's the whole store. Combo style, 10% off. So that makes it 50% off, right? Look, it's DG. I bought this and it works good. So $4.25, so $2 and something. That's going to be a good deal. Uh-oh. We do have Swab coupons, 25% off. Make sure Friday, Saturday, and Sunday you get that. Okay, here's some more Swab. What's that? Toasted Marshmallow 2-in-1 shampoo, 25% off now. Okay. So here is Tresemme, 25% off too. We do have coupons for Garnier Fructis, 10% off. Garnier Control, L'Oreal got coupon, and L'Oreal got coupon. What's this? Face mask. It ain't on that again. Oh, here's Tresemme again, 10% off. Okay. Maybelline, there's the coupons for that, 10% off. Maybelline again. CoverGirl, all of the CoverGirl, yes. Okay, what about this? What's that? CoverGirl. See, that's 10%. 10 Wet n Wild. LA Colors. This LA Colors. Oh, look at that. Black Radiance, 10% off. All of this. Look at that. 10% off nails, makeup remover. What's that? That's Studio. And all the nails. 10% off. 10% off. What's this? Beauty My Way. This for lead products. 10% off. Okay. And then there's another one. Almost bought leaves. Okay, razors, 10% off. You got the Flex, the Bics, twin blades. Something. What's these? Okay, those are two. You also have these. See the prices? Yep. Okay, what's this? Select 10% off. Okay, and that's Flex, 10% off. Okay, no. Hello. Twin times a main. If they get any more, look for that at other stores. So I can show you this, guys, but if you go to other stores, you will see. Okay, so you know we got a coupon for that one, right? This one right here. And it's the small one. Ladies Feast It. And that one is for, okay, day mouthwash. Colgate, 10%. Colgate again, we do have coupons for that. We got coupons for coupon, Towns of May, and Hellos. And then what's these? Cold sore. And here's some more. Okay, like I said, the Rexall Biofreeze. Oh, we got a coupon for that. Band-Aids. Rexall. What's that? Similson eye drops. Rexall again. Rexall. That one. Guys, this is a second store Dollar General clearance haul. Look. I'm going to scan it and see how much it is, okay? That's what I'm getting ready to do. So starting Friday, this big thing of Purex will be $2.02 or 2.5 cents. So if you got any Purex coupons, this is one right here. That is and it's a couple I looked at too. Let me see if this one is. Now we got gain coupon. Okay, so that one is $10.10. It's gonna be half of that, so $5.05. Use your $2 off gain or your $3 off gain. This is a steal, and it's the 58 load. Look, guys, it's here back there. Let's see, there's Sun, Rain-X, Pepto-Bismol. We got Pepto coupons, Preparation H, Clear, Aqua Fresh. I don't think we got those. Okay, if you can find any of these coupons, we got those. We got these. Okay, you got paper plates. Okay, how's this? You do got the rice under there. Toys. So let's go look for some 10% off stuff. Okay, there it is, Icy Hot. You got Band-Aid. You got Dobrox. You got Similson. Okay, another store. You got Glad on sale as usual. The Glad is still there. What was this? That was Glad candles. This store had little hugs on sale clearance, 10% off, so it'll be 50% off on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Let me go see how much they were. Okay, that's the Clover Valley juice, not the little hugs. The Clover Valley juice is 10% off, so they're $1. If it was some, it ain't none. Okay, but that's okay. We got all the goodies we want. Okay, guys, I hope you all are enjoying this. Stay tuned because I'm going to have 2 days worth of Dollar General clearance. This okay?